Hello everyone, now I am going to show you how to create a program to print the prime numbers. So let me tell you what is a prime number. Prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 and itself. For example 5, which is divisible by 1 and 5 itself. Completely divisible, yes. So let's just start. I have to declare a variable that is a num, which is I am going to read from user. So user is going to enter the value of the number. So I am just going to say printf enter a number. This is the message which is printed on the console, right? So user is going to come to know that he has to enter a number. Scanf, then I am going to read a number. So %d is a format specifier and address of num is the variable where I am going to store the number. When user is going to enter the number, I am going to store that number into num. Fine. So up to this is okay. I have printed a message, user is going to enter a number. Now I am going to read the number. Okay, now I want to check whether the number is prime or not. So first of all, the logic is I have to check from, for example, user enters 5. I have to check from 2 to 4 that any number between 2 to 4 is going to divide 5 completely. If it is, then I am just going to set a flag like 1, and if it is not, so flag is default 0. So I will come to know no number is going to divide 5, so I will come to know that 5 is prime number. So I am going to start a loop, for example for then I equal to 2, because number is divisible by 1 and itself. So I have to skip 1. I have to start dividing the number from 2. So 2 and then I less than number, right? So if you want to remove the iterations, unwanted iterations, you can use num divided by 2, right? That is also possible, that you will come to know, right, in between also, that these numbers are not going to divide, means of course no other numbers are going to divide. It's okay, but we can use like I less than num just for a confirmation, and then I am going to say I plus plus. Now if I am going to use a variable I have to declare a variable here, that is my I, as well as I have to use a variable flag which is initially 0. So now here I am going to check if num mod I equal to 0. What is this condition means? This condition means if num is completely divisible by starting 2, then 3, then 4. So if any number between 2 to 4 is going to divide num completely, I am going to set a flag. So I am going to say here flag equal to 1. So I will come to know that these numbers divides num, so this is not a prime number. But if in case any number between 2 to 4 doesn't divide completely to num, means that number is prime, and if it is not, it is going to divide, then I am going to come to know that number is not prime. So if any number divides completely, so I am going to say flag equal to 1, and I am going to say break. So here I am going to say break, because if any other number also divides, I don't want that. I want only any number between 2 to 4. So just done with this, right? So now I am going to check here if flag equal to 0. So if flag is initially 0, which is already 0, right? So if flag is 0 means no number is going to divide the num completely. No number between 2 2 less than number is going to divide num completely. So if it is not going to divide num completely, flag is 0, and this means your number is prime. So I can print here printf /n number is prime. But in case if any number it divides the num, then else the flag will become 1. So I am going to print here else printf /n number is not prime. Okay, so this is the simple logic, right? Okay, so let's just build the project. So go to project and say build all. As you can see here, yes, so it is building, 0 errors, 0 warning. Now you can right click on the file and say run as local C++ application. So yes, I am going to say okay. Now as you can see here, the console, the message is enter a number. If I am going to say 5, if I am going to say 5 and hit enter, I will get the answer, number is prime. But let me just stop it and run it once again, and I need to enter a number which is not a prime. So if I enter 6, number is not a prime, right? So because 6 is divisible completely by 2, right, and 3, that's why 6 is not prime. But in case of 5, it is not completely divisible by 2, 3, 4, that's why the answer is prime. So 5 is completely divisible by 1 and itself, whereas 6 is divisible by 2, 3 and 1 and 6 itself. Thank you for watching the video.